Bamboo is a special crop with many possibilities, and the demand for bamboo in different branches is steadily growing. The possibilities for bamboo are infinite. It can be used in construction, for clothing, food, and bamboo is the sustainable answer to the hardwood problem. Bamboo Logic now offers the opportunity to invest in European bamboo plantations. The advantages: European bamboo has minimal transport costs and no burden on import costs or exchange rates that push the margin. In addition, bamboo grows in popularity among consumers. As soon as the European bamboo is full grown, Bamboo Logic's factories process the bamboo to plates. Bamboo plates are made of flat, rectangular bamboo strips cut from a bamboo tree. These strips are then glued horizontally or vertically to each other by special machines. The Bamboo Logic bamboo plates are then traded to European companies that, among other things, make floors, kitchens or furniture. The first Bamboo Logic bamboo plantation will be realized in Portugal, after which they will also be set up in Spain, Italy and Greece. Do you want more information about investing in Bamboo Logic's European bamboo plantations? Please contact us for further information.